Good day, paper engineers in training and Dagwood fans. I am working in my office. It is Sunday. What is Sunday? The 3rd? I think it's the 3rd. Holy free holies, we're in August. Wait a minute. I don't know what day it is. I'm going to have to do some checking. You can see General Grievous is almost done. I've got to get a cape for him. Those hats, there are only 4 of them left. I could only order 12. That's why they're so expensive. If you'd like to get one, they're $48, and then there will be shipping on that. Unfortunately, that's the only way I could make those things work. I wished I could have bought more so they cost less. But I did anyway. If you'd like one that's autographed, they're $60. This is the stuff you can make out of paper. Doesn't matter what it is. It can all be made out of paper. I have a very unique hobby. Hey, there's a Klingon bird of prey. You guys have seen this coming together. It is starting to look really good. Oh, and by the way, acrylic paint. Those there I got in 2010. I've had them for 16 years. I've refilled one and I've added some to the others. But anyway, I keep using them. Those are all more paints over there. Oh, I made those organizers so that I could keep track of things like paint brushes and sanding sticks and regular sticks. Tools that I use: French curves, triangles, circle templates, etc. All very cool things to use. Anyway, as you can see, I have made a lot of stuff. I made that Pepsi box to keep Q-tips in. And there is a paper army mug. Makes a good organizer. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, yeah, I made that. It's a phone holder. Anyway, and you can see that there are a lot of things that I've collected over the years. There's a Dalek, a DeLorean time machine, and yeah, the A-10, R2-D2, C-3PO, the AT-ST, F-14, my dad's cat, Sandcrawler. Oh, that's an SR-71, and the Black Pearl made out of a Hot Pockets box. Anyway, you guys, I love everything you do. Thank you for coming to my phone show. 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time in the USA. Welcome, Paper Army family all over the world. Thank you for being the most fantastic human beings there are. I love you all. I will see you Monday. Take care, Paper Army. Salute.